Hey everyone, my name is Allison Solvent, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Westminster, British Columbia, on the west coast of Canada. And I'm so excited to talk to you today about joining my community of stampers. My team is called Canada Inks Up. I've been a demonstrator for over 21 years, so you know that I love what I do, and I love sharing the love of paper crafting and stamping and being part of a larger community. Our community is approximately 150 demonstrators from coast to coast. We get together monthly on a Zoom and have lots of fun. I also have a vibrant community on Facebook that's just for my team. So we share ideas and we do creative projects and we talk all things Stampin' Up. So I'd love for you to join my community. And I'm talking about this today because in October, for the month of October, you can join Stampin' Up! At an amazing deal. And the good news is you get to choose what deal you would like. So let me tell you about it. 2023 marks the 35th anniversary of Stampin' Up! So they started in Utah in the United States, and they came to Canada in 2002. Yeah, I joined the first day. In fact, I was part of a focus group that the co-founder and CEO put together in 2001 and was invited to tour Stampin' Up! And attend their convention just to talk about ways that Stampin' Up! Could be of value to Canadian stampers. So I was really honored to be part of that focus group. So when they came to Canada, I was ready to go. My demonstrator number is 7, which means I was the 7th person to sign up in Canada. So I'm really excited. So let me tell you about the deal for the 35th anniversary. You got 2 options. Normally, when you purchase a starter kit, you get $165 of your choice of whatever you'd like from the catalogs, but you only pay $135. So it's a discounted group of products, which is cool, right? But in October, it's even better. So here's the deals. Option number 1, you can choose $165 worth of merchandise, but instead of paying $135, you can pay 35% less, which is $87.75. So you're going to get $165 worth of product, free shipping for the low cost of $87.75. That's pretty good, right? That's a great deal. Option number 2 is pay the $135, which you normally would, but instead of getting $165 worth of product, you're going to get 35% more, which is $222.75. Again, no shipping. And if you live in, there's certain provinces, if you live there, you don't pay any tax. So anywhere that's got HST, so Ontario, Quebec, certainly Alberta, and others, you don't pay any tax. In British Columbia, you pay 7% sales tax if you live in BC. Okay, so still a really great deal, but it gets even better. Once a year, Stampin' Up! Has a convention, and this year it's going to be a virtual convention. It's November. It's November 11th. And we will join with demonstrators from around the world for a really fun day of stamping and sharing. It's $102 for all of us who are demonstrators to register. But during October, if you sign up to become a demonstrator in October, you're going to get that event for free. So that's another $102 worth of value. So it's really exciting. If you can't join on the day, we get access to recorded content. So we're going to see some new stuff that's coming in January. So many things that are exciting. So what are the benefits of joining Stampin' Up? Well, the first thing that people are excited about is the continual discount. So on anything you purchase or anything that your friends purchase from you, you will earn a 20% discount. So that's pretty cool, right? You're going to get access to all the catalogs a month ahead of what a customer would see. And we also get access to purchasing product before customers can purchase. So that's really cool. Stampin' Up! Also has a really awesome website with lots of information, lots of sharing on there, and also a Facebook community that we can all join, demonstrator planning place. So that's fun. Now, that's great. Stampin' Up! Is awesome. The deal's awesome. Everything's awesome. But what can I offer you? Well, I can offer you a 21-year experience of being a leader. You do not have to sell anything. Nobody is going to bother you. You don't have to, and I'm not going to check up on you, either Stampin' Up! You just purchase your starter kit, buy what you'd like, get your discount, and stay as what we like to call happy shoppers and happy stampers. So that's the deal for October. I would love to welcome you to my community, Canada Inks Up. I will put the link for signing up uh, in my comments here, and I will produce a separate little video showing you how to actually choose your starter kits. So if you have any questions, please reach out. My email is stampwithallison@gmail.com. And have a great day and have a great October. And I hope to see you as a member of my community soon. Thanks so much. Bye for now and happy stamping.